Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to update Roblox on PC. If you have the app that you got from the website, it's really simple. Well, just open Roblox, and if there's an update available, it will automatically update. I don't have any updates available, but if you have an update, then it's gonna update it by itself when you open Roblox. If that does not work, you'll have to reinstall Roblox by going to Programs and Features and then downloading it from the website again. However, if you have downloaded Roblox from the Microsoft Store, then open the Microsoft Store, go to Library. Roblox will show up here if you have an update, and you can click Update here. But I don't have any updates right now, so I can't show you. So yeah, that was pretty much it for this video. That's all you need to know if you want to update Roblox. If you want more tutorials like these or some other videos, then subscribe, like if you found it helpful, comment, and goodbye.